What's up, everybody? It's your boy Retro. The holidays right around the corner, and the week I had, I can't think of a better thing to do than open. Actually, I can think of a couple better things to do. But let's open them up anyway. Check out this retro wrapping paper. Gotta appreciate that. Really cool. Even says, what's it say? Happy holidays. So I'm going to open this up very carefully. This. I've had this for a while now. Almost a year. Ripped it a little bit. I don't want to be so careful. I don't know what I would ever use this wrapping paper for. Other than what it's in. Oh. I ripped a little bit. There we go. For the most part. It even smells like Christmas wrapping paper, which is pretty cool. Alright, so we have Holiday He-Man. I really love these Filmation figures. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look. Has Castle Grayskull and a Christmas wreath on it. And the rest of it looks the same. Alright, here we go. Pretty excited about this. I see him in the video, but I don't see him. Very, very cool. It's funny that he's looking this way a little bit. I think a lot of them, he's looking that way automatically. You know what it's for? It's because of the hat. That's why. There he is. Holiday He-Man. Still has the snow. It's pretty cool. And the back. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Pretty neat. Let's get them open. This is actually getting me hyped to open up my Castle Grayskull. Oops, I forgot the tape here, and everywhere. Look, and there's like snowflakes in the back. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Look, there's a little snow orca. Pretty cool. Nice touch. I like it. So here's the Candy Cane Sword of Power. There's He-Man. Let's get him out of his... Actually, I don't even need the blade. I'm gonna just twisty tie him out. Oh, actually, I do need the blade. His feet are in there. How the heck is his feet wrapped in there? Come on, dude, get out. It's a good thing I don't save the packages. Really? This is ridiculous trying to get this out. Oops. Legs come out, arm comes out. Oh, the arm doesn't want to come out. Oh, it's stuck on there. Really? There we go. All right. This is the first time I actually opened one of these figures up. him out. Look at him. Man. Coming to bring gifts to you this holiday season. Alright, so we're going to check out the back. And check out the front. So front has ab crunch, moves around, legs, ankles, toes. Well, yeah, ankles and toes. Just a lot of coolness. Let's see. His arm. There we go. So there he is. He looks just like he got plucked out of the cartoon. Does this candy cane sword fit? His candy cane sword fits, folks. Look at that. Let's get it in his hand. And does it fit in his hand? Not that one. Try this one. There we go. It fits in this hand. There he is. That is He-Man in his Christmas form. Trying to get a good angle. And there's Orko. Look. Hey, He-Man. Pretty cool outfit. Have you been a good little Orko? Well, of course I have. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. They look good together. I'm happy with it. I really can't wait to open up Castle Grayskull now. Got a lot of figures to open up too. This is the first time I actually touched one of the Filmation Super 7 ones. I like it. I'm digging it. Not too crazy about the way that looks. You know, I guess they made it that way for whatever reason. But all in all, I like it. So I hope everybody had a great week, a great weekend. It's your boy Retro saying, I have the power of Christmas in my hand.